Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I am bringing you a review of the Diva by Revlon in the color Blonde Ambition. If you want to hear more about this color, keep an eye open for the color spotlight video of this color. This is mainly going to be about the wig. Diva is a fashion wig. She fits a little bit smaller than average on me, but that's pretty normal for these Revlon wigs. They're always going to be a little bit small on me because they fit so true to average, and I have an average large cap size. This color is crazy, but this style is kind of even crazier. I love it. I love the texture of it, how uniform it is. It looks like a perm. Like it's a lot of fun. Before I do anything, let me go ahead and do a 360 so you can see how cute and quirky this wig is from all sides. This sort of makes me think of Joan Osborne from the 90s a little bit. If you guys are familiar with that "What If God Was One of Us" lady. I like this one. I don't know why. It's not what I would normally gravitate towards, but it's kind of fun. And it's bouncy. She does have a lace front with little baby hairs cut into it. And you can see those baby hairs here. The lace on all of these Bold Collection lace front wigs is going to be more of a beige color. So it's going to not be transparent like on most Caucasian wigs. You'll have to blend it in with a little bit of makeup sometimes to prevent the lace line from showing. But not a big deal. This is super fun. I'm gonna go ahead and take this one off now so I can show you the cap construction. So Diva here has, like I said, a slightly beige lace front with scalloped lace on top. Open top with a little bit of lace, like French lace, covering it up. You've got lots of tracks here in the back, so it's open on the back, and the sides has an extended nape that is closed and covered in lace, also just a bit like a bra strap back here, and has closed lace here on the ear tabs. Revlon wigs are not real stretchy, and this one definitely is not that stretchy. I think this one fits very true to average, so if that's helpful information, awesome. There you can really see that color. I did a whole color spotlight on this, so be sure to check that out. Let me go ahead and put this back on for you now. Welcome back. Before we go, I want to give you some specs on this wig. The bangs, disregard all of these, though keep in mind because this is a heat-friendly synthetic, you can always straighten this out. Just keep in mind it's not actually a perm. So if you do straighten out the hair texture, there's no way you're going to be able to get this back. So just keep that in mind. The bangs are supposedly 16 to 17 inches. Apparently when they're straight, they're that long. Crown down 17. You can kind of see that if I stretch it out. And then the nape is 14 to 15.5 inches. This is a heavy wig at over 7 ounces. Lots of hair on this wig. Lots and lots and lots. So very interesting texture. Lots of fun. Comes in more natural looking colors too, so if this isn't really doing it for you, because I mean it is kind of an out there color combination, but it's fun. But if you want something that's a little bit more natural, they have normal looking blondes and brunette shades for this style as well. So just go ahead and check that out at my wig store, www.CysterWigs.com, otherwise known as CysterWigs. I'm Heather. I'm the owner, creator. I do things there. So, you know, if you ever want to see us out and about on the webs, we're all over social media. Come hang out with us on our Instagram page. We'd love to chat with you. So until next time, have a lovely night. Bye-bye.